From zero to clean lines, watch the magic happen. Pixels turn to profit, yeah, that's pure design alchemy. Late nights, bright screens, we don't do the average. Vismiles Design Academy, learn it, then you brand it.
Welcome to day 3. And in this tutorial, in this particular video, I was set to do certain things. Let me quickly go over there. And yeah, in day 3, we are going to look at some things. Let me quickly go over to the outline. Yes, so we're to look at working with Brief. And before we get to working with Brief, let's see how to download and install fonts and how to download and use background music. All right, so now let's go on to how to download and install fonts. So basically, there are various sites you could download fonts from. One of them is DAFONT.com, and I believe most of you now should know how to download fonts. So for example, let's just download a font. I'm going to quickly go on to DAFONT.com. All right, DAFONT.com, and just click any one. I'll just choose any font in particular. I'll just choose any font, and I'll show you how to add it to your own work. So let's say I love this juicebox script that I'm seeing here because I already love it though. I'm just going to press download, and once it's done downloading, once it's done downloading, I'll click open here to extract it from my phone. It's very important that you extract it. So there are various apps you could use to extract. You could use this Arial, you could also use Zakiver, or your phone might be able to extract just like how I'm going to do here. So I'm going to click this extract here to extract it, and I'll just put my pattern and extract it in my internal storage. You don't have to do all of this. Then done. So finish extracting. So now going back to Alight Motion. Okay, so having opened your Alight Motion, I'm just going to create any document at all, and go with the show you how to Alight to add this thing. Let me do this guy here. All right, so projects, I'll just click plus icon just to create a new project to show you how to add fonts. All right, so I'm going to press the plus icon and choose let's just choose a square. Okay, then name this. All right, name this how to add fonts. All right, then just press OK and create new project. Create project. Okay, so we have this now. We have our normal template here. I'm going to add a rectangle shape to fill the screen, fill composition area. I know you should know how to do this by now. Then I'm going to press the plus icon to add a text. Then now you see text icon here. The text icon is just here. This is where to add text. Okay, so clicking that you add text, and a text box is going to come up here. Then I'm going to write text. Okay, txt. All right, then I can shrink this guy like this. Okay, then to increase the text, see, just click up here where you write 18 pt. So that's where you can increase the text size from. All right, then you can also change the alignment style to center. So this is where you can do the alignment stuff. So alignment, this is for alignment, this is for the font, current font you're in, this is for the size, this is for the color, and this is to check that you're good with everything. So I'll change the color. I don't like the color I'm seeing there, so I'll just click. I can also change the color from here though. Just put white, Jerry. Oh, let's use bright yellow. No, what color is that? Let's use this bright yellow. All right, so now to add text fonts, now you click this font option here. Then what you need to click now is this option here. So on the top here, all the fonts you're seeing now are the previous fonts that have been added. Okay, so to add fonts, you just need to click this view all fonts. Okay, so clicking view all fonts, you're going to see all the fonts from Alight Motion and put the one you have. So now, okay, before you go there, click this hamburger icon here. This hamburger icon here, you see. you can actually search for fonts too. So just click hamburger icon. So in my previous project, I was working with a sans serif font, so I can just uncheck that. All right, it's going to return back to normal. So now what you want to do is, there are different kinds of fonts. If you want the ones that would show here to be serif fonts, only serif fonts, you just sorry about that, you just click serif, click like this, and all the fonts that are going to be showing are going to be serif fonts. I could see there are different kinds of nice serif fonts here. If you want it to include serif and sans serif, it's going to be that. If you want it to just be sans serif, it's going to be like that. Display fonts also, it's going to put fonts that are good for display, for headings, and in case you see anyone you like here and you don't have them physically, or maybe your phone, you could download them and just use them from there. Then there's also script font or handwriting fonts. So everything here would look like handwriting, monospace. So you could see all of them are here. Favorite fonts. So if there are any fonts you've made your favorite, you would see them here. Then imported fonts are the ones that you downloaded and imported by yourself. So now how do we do that? So sorting, you can also sort alphabetically or by popular. You could also sort by language. Then now import fonts. So clicking on import fonts here, this is how to import. It's very, very simple. You're going to see, okay, let me go back. If it appears like you just try to go back to the recent where you have the fonts you just downloaded, or go to the, okay, why is my own showing no items here? Okay, or go to downloads. Okay, downloads. Now you will see all the fonts you've downloaded will be here, like this Ali, Abi, Eli, anyone, it's here. This is a font I've downloaded, and you can just mark them. And you want to mark the TTF, all right? Not, you want to mark where is the thing? I think there's a place where to show the kind of font. Okay, you need to mark the exported one, just the same way you would do when you are importing fonts to Pixellab. So that's how it works. So import fonts, and let's say I have other fonts that I downloaded I want to use. Let me see. Cool fonts for projects. Okay, this one is plenty, I don't need that. So let me go over here to the one I just downloaded, the juice box. So I'm going to search for juice box now, because I think this is where I extracted that one into. Okay, let's go on to download. Hopefully I see it here. J. Okay, it's not here. So let me just go back to recent. It's not in recent to download. I think I should see it here. Juice box. Hope that was the name itself. So you can also search. You can also search to see the fonts you just downloaded. Let's check. Okay, see juice box here. I think I need to find it where the zip file is. So in case you can hear any background noise, please just forgive me for the noise you hear from the background. I did this recording late and all the kids are back from school. Oh God. All right, let's just quickly search for us here. I want to add that juice box font in particular. Where is this font now? Download. Okay. So let's just wait for this to load now. I think we should find it here. Okay, I cannot find it here, but I believe yours, you'll be able to find your fonts when you download them. And like this is autograph here. This is another script font. So just click autograph, and you want to click the TTF font. You just click it, and it's be able to add, select it, and it's going to be imported to your device. So you could search them here. You could also search like this. So if I want to search like this, I just need to type autograph, AUTO. Look at it here. This is here. So it makes the font like this. So that's how to add fonts to your work. Okay, let me change this background. It's not really having good contrast, so I'll use this dark. No, not this. Let me see, use the bright color and change the background color to dark blue. Okay, so at least there's contrast now. All right, so that's it. That's how to add fonts to your Alight Motion.